So it's now up to 24 degrees. Yep, 24. And the shops are open. So let's go. Let's get this last minute Christmas shopping done. So it's not packed like it usually is. It's kind of slow. So yeah, this is a good time to go. It's still cold. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Look at how stinking cute. It's getting a little busier, but still, it's nothing like next week is gonna be. Well, starting Friday. Okay, let's wander back in here and look. I love that little dude right there. I love Melon Mushroom. They have such good pizzas. Okay, look how cute. Love the way they decorate. Let me zoom back out a little bit. This is great. And how is that water still running? Oh goodness, it's so cold. Looks like it would be totally frozen. And here you go, in case you're down this way ever. Right there's your little QR code if you want to do your thing. And yeah, I suggest doing it. Here's a little behind the scenes where you go up. Oh, they have an elevator, but hey, I need to walk because I'm still not well. I'm still struggling, but I'm gonna be okay now. Whew. Right down there is where they have their concerts and stuff, which is always really neat. Oh, and there's another little dude up there on the Melon Mushroom rooftop. Cute. And there's a look at that little waterfall area thing there from the top. Yeah, I see where there's like suds in it, so there's something keeping it from freezing. But it is so cold right now. Oh my gosh. So cold. But hey, this is worth it. There is the ski lift. I've never done that before, but who knows? Maybe, maybe not. And here is the historic Gatlinburg Inn. I wrote about this place in my book. And this is also where the song Rocky Top was written. Last time I was down here, they had little pumpkins set up like this. Now it's little snowmen. And they are working to get those benches rebuilt where a local told me somebody in a white truck just like pulled up on the sidewalk and went right through the benches. Yeah, so okay. Marketplace. Let's go in here. I love that. It's a neat little place back here. A lot of good little shops. And if I'm not mistaken, I have a picture somewhere of my dad and Way sitting right there. A lot of memories here. So I just went in here, one of my favorite stores, and I so want that. I so want it, but they never ever have my size. But yes, that's, hey, if anybody wants to get me a Christmas present, right there would be what you could get me. Stevie Nicks is my fairy godmother. Because you know, I love Stevie. I'm probably the #1 Stevie fan. I know everything there is to know about Stevie. And next would probably be BTS. I know just about everything there is to know about BTS, but Stevie always comes first. And right here is the best place to get fudge. And oh my gosh, you can smell the popcorn, the caramel corn they're making. And if you go to the window over here, you can see the caramel apples and all kinds of stuff that they are getting ready to put out. But this is the best fudge. This is the place for the best. Kill wins. And there is a line to Pancake Pantry. Yes, even at a slow time. That music is loud, 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 loud. So I'm trying to talk so I don't get copyright violation, but I'm going in the mall. Yep. Okay. Lazy bear. This old wooden dude has been here a long, long time. I've always wanted to try this, but I don't know. Somebody told me it was very bad for you, and other people told me, oh my gosh, it feels really good. So I don't know. What do you think? Drop me a comment. Look at that. Back when I was knee-high to a grasshopper and I came here, my dad came in here, that was back when he smoked, and he would get some of the like cherry tobacco, stuff like that. He always wanted to try different stuff like that. Let's go up the escalator. It's so warm in here. It's getting warm outside too, though, so it's not bad. Up one more. In the Mountain Mall. And you know, I hadn't noticed it before, but these are some old pictures here. That one is from 1912. And this was 1982. Wow. Cute. Now you know that catches little kids' eyes. Yep. One with the earth. It's a neat little store. All kinds of different rocks and rock formations and stuff like that. Fossils. And there's a store that my dad used to love to go in, Papa's Sweet Tooth. He would always find something in there. And I can hear him now. He'd be like, I ain't seen one of these in years. Yep. And Gatlinburg candles. Locally owned. Yes, buy local. And if you want to order candles, and there's their little thingies there, so, you know, do your thing. So I have reached the top of the fountain here, and I got me some change. Of course, I'm not going to do pennies because, you know, pennies are going extinct, so I want to keep them, all the pennies I got. So let's start out. I think I'm going to do 2 of these here and then 2 the next place. So let's see, let's start out with a dime. Okay, here it goes. Okay. Then we'll start out with a quarter. And let's see if I can't flip it a little harder this time without flipping it up there or something, or down one of the sides. Oh my God, it landed in the... It landed right there. SOB. Here's more of these pictures. 1969, Gatlinburg. And 2002, Gatlinburg. Okay, so I made it down here. I'll get it back and make a wish. Okay. In the water there. Okay, so here's my last 2. And for the dime, I'm going to aim for that big rock in the middle. I've hit it a couple of times over the years, but let's see if I can do it this time. Let's see, make a wish. I hit it. Yeah, it bounced. Okay, what should I aim for next? Well, how about thinking that frog, but I'd never be able to make it on that frog. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to try to hit inside that wheel in those little grooves. So, trying to get the rhythm of it. Okay, let's go. I did it! I did it! End it all. I'm going to show you this little monument outside here of the mall. It's right here. And then join me in the next video. We'll go somewhere else. Bye.